Hey everybody, welcome to tonight's pour. Now tonight's pour is going to be a motorcycle themed painting. So we have this, I'm not sure what kind of motorcycle that is, but it does say Bad Bagger on it. I don't think that's a brand or anything. I think that's just the name of what they called this one. So I've done some motorcycle ones in the past. I found this one and another one in a store. Thought, hey, I haven't done one in a while. And all the ones I have made have sold pretty quickly, so hey, let's get another one. I got a show coming up in about 9 days, something like that. 10 days maybe. So I thought, hey, I can get one done in that amount of time. So as you can see on this one, it's got a dark blue. I don't know if you can see that very well. Try to get the light in it just right, but it's a dark blue. Well, it's probably about the color of that, and basically silver, the chrome in it. So I've mixed the paints already that I've decided to go with, and so we're going with a pearlized crystal blue. It's almost empty, so it's the color of it down here now, and I've already got it on the canvas, and it looks really a light blue, like it doesn't even match. But I believe, since I have almost used all this, I believe it will dry a lot darker than what it is right now. And then I'm just going to use some silver and white out the back. It's going to be kind of a low, not a whole lot of effect, just to find out. I don't know if I'll use black or not. I might throw a little black in there just to give it a little contrast to it. But yeah, I'll probably use, if I do use the black, it'll be Artist Loft black. The silver is actually Master's Touch silver. Yeah. No, actually it's Artist Loft silver. Excuse me. And then the white is also Artist Loft. So there you have it. 3/4 of this will be Artist Loft paint. 1/4 will be Master's Touch. 1 out of the 4. And of course, the pouring medium that I mix with my paints is Floetrol. And then of course the resin I will be using is Promise Epoxy. So I think I just got a comment on one of my paintings on YouTube, one of my videos on YouTube, about what resin that I use, so I need to comment. I think I try to say it, at least mention the brand when I'm resining it, or when I'm pouring it on. I usually will say it. But anyway, so all we gotta do is adjust the camera and we can get started. So as you can see, this is pretty light blue. It will dry darker, I'm pretty sure. So we have our silver already mixed up. I'm just gonna shake it up to get it mixed up a little bit. The white, and then I think I'm going to use a little black in it. So we have our motorcycle, and it'll go right there. I've already got a lot of paint on me tonight. Just started. I want to start with a real thin black line. Don't need a whole lot. Silver. Now you might ask why I do that with the white. You might ask, but I did this, and the way it pushed it just made a super awesome design on it, so much so that I kept it for myself. So pop some of these bubbles out. I don't know about the Floetrol. I've been using this bottle of Floetrol. It's got all these little white spots on it. So I'm trying to get these out of there. I did one. I just finished up a Star Trek one. I didn't film it because I've already done a filmed a version of the Star Trek one, even though it's a fun painting to do with the planet and the stars in it. But it had a bunch of clumps. Usually it's pretty smooth, but so let's pour some of this on the outside. I don't really want a whole lot in this, so I think I'll try to get it more of a peak, so I can get it like right there. There you have it. That's all it takes. So we'll let it dry, and then we'll get it resin and place the motorcycle in there. I think we'll have a great piece. And I know it'll dry darker. All right, this has dried. It did get a little darker. It's not as dark as I wanted. But I found that this thing, if you do it just right, yeah, right there, it'll stay up straight instead of leaning over on one side or the other. So when we put that in, we'll have to definitely get that to where it'll stay straight. Boy, there it goes. So anyway, so we have it taped on the back. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. We have some Promise epoxy. 7 ounces is what we need for 10 by 20 canvas. 3.5 of the hardener, 3.5 of the epoxy. And I've used this cup a number of times already, and I had to clean it out. So I would, because once you do a number of paintings mixed in the same cup, the measuring cup, because it has the ounces on the side there, you have to clean it out because it dries and builds up on the bottom, so then you don't have an accurate reading. So I have a video on how to do that, how to clean your cup, your resin cup, so you can look at that and find that. Sorry about that, my phone fell out. Well, I don't know if I can, yeah, let me take my glove off real quick and put another one on. Oh, sorry about that. I don't think I got any resin on my phone. Boy, that fell. That's crazy. Yeah, get a clean glove on. I might remove that, I don't know. I'm thinking of doing like bloopers, because I have a lot of little, I don't know if they're bloopers or just clips of me starting a video and messing up, and so then I start over until I get it right. Usually it's in the intro part of my video. So I might include that in there. All right, I think I got it all covered. Yeah, resin wouldn't do too good on a phone, I don't think. It would look like the back of the phone, which already has resin on it, because I did my phone case, painted my phone case, and then resined it. Most of the resin has come off just from, I had it for a few years, a couple years, and it just wears it down from holding it, using your phone. Alrighty, I think I got everything out of there. Let me give it one more last look. Those little imperfections in it, little things dropping in it. I don't know if it's dust mites or what. All right, I think we got it cleaned out. So we'll take our motorcycle, we'll get it set in there. Come on. And I think we've got her. Okay, that's just paint. All right. Look like a white whisker right there for my beard, but it's just paint. All right, there you go. If you like this one, hit the like button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you like the colors or not. And hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.